When it comes to the drug issue, I feel that they could be doing a whole lot more. Because as we can see, everyday people are being incarcerated. Few drugs here and there are found, but not enough is being done. And I feel that action in that matter to control the supply should be done. And I feel that yes, they are a bit lax in their response to this, which is why I urge them to do more in that matter.
Meghalaya Youth Congress ha Sngewkhia kalapan pau ya Sngewkhia halor Shillong jingman ha Jylla kamtam ha bete but lawei samla. Habaya kren biglat pathai kubol u President Meghalaya Youth Congress u samla Adrian L. Khan Milim uloong samla minta ki yakendu pun kijing la kalong ha yok kam yok jam kapuli puthi but kamtam ha bete but u drop.
They say an idle mind is the workshop of the devil. And we can see that many youths currently who are unemployed end up getting involved with either substance abuse such as drugs and alcohol. Perhaps it could be due to frustration, loneliness, or their own troubles. We can't say. But we can see many of our youths getting involved, whether it be peddling these drugs or whether it is taking them. And also, in sad situations, many of them succumb to their addiction. And it is a very sad state. And also, we can see that due to this, due to the presence of drug addiction, you see that there's been a rise in petty crime, whether they're thefts or robberies in the state, because drug users are resorting to these to fuel their drug addiction. And from our side, we feel that there is an uneasiness in the current law and situation of the state. Us coming here, we are not here to criticize anyone. Rather, we just want to raise a few questions with regards to that. Because we are greatly concerned as to what's happening in our state, the situation we are all in. If our youths are losing their lives to drug addiction, if they're getting involved in petty crime, if they are leaving the state to pursue higher education for greener pastures, we feel all of these are very troublesome. We understand that there are a few youths, due to unemployment, are unable to feed their families, and at the same time they are resorting to petty crime because they don't want to starve, but they have no opportunities elsewhere. It is truly saddening to see our youths suffering so. If we, the youths who bear the weight of the future on our shoulders, are not given such opportunity, then I worry about what lies ahead for us. What do we look forward to? We, the Congress youth, are greatly concerned for the welfare of our state and the future that awaits us. We, the Congress youths, feel we have a sense of responsibility towards this future, and we will work for it. We owe it to ourselves and we owe it to our state. We urge the youths of our state to not take these matters lightly. We can all talk about change and politics from the comfort of our own homes. But only action can bring the necessary change. We implore the youths to come together with us. There are also a few of you who are hopeful, who want to bring about that change in the state. And there are a few of you who have your own ideas and suggestions on what we must do. We urge you, come together with us. We want talented youths in our party, and as you can see, we have together with us a very talented team of individuals who will strive and who will work hard towards the future. Come together with us, share your ideas, and we will discuss. We'll think of things. We'll come up with solutions on how we can tackle the growing issues in our state. We, the Meghalaya Youth Congress, will be the platform to voice out your concerns, to express the pleas of those whose voices have been stifled. We here at Congress have and always will have a healthy production line of future leaders.